Topic for today, nervous system, spinal cord and nerves. As we know, our nervous system comprises of the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. In yesterday's class, we discussed about the brain and today we are going to discuss about the spinal cord and the nerves. Let's get started. We have already discussed the brain and for today, spinal cord and nerves. Spinal cord. Spinal cord is a bundle of nerve fibers. It's composed of nerve fiber which connect all part of the body to the brain. Yesterday we did about brain, that stem of the brain which connects brain to the spinal cord, medulla oblongata. It begins from there and extends downward. And those fibers or bundles of nerves are enclosed in the vertebral column. About this we have already discussed in our earlier classes. Vertebral column or our backbone, it encloses the spinal cord and prevent any kind of injuries. Now we come to nerves. What are nerves? Nerves are thread-like structures that start from or emerge from the brain and the spinal cord. They are like the telephone signals or the wire that carries signals. They carry signal from brain to the different parts of the body and from all parts of the body to the brain as well. Here you can see the structure of the neuron. It's a basic functional unit of the nervous system. And the nerves are the thin threads of the cells, what is we call neurons. There are different type of nerves. According to the function they perform, the signals they carry or work they do, they are classified into three types. So those are sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Let's know about them one by one. First is sensory nerves. They carry or transmit signals from the sense organs to the spinal cord and brain. They receive it from the outside world and carry that signals to the brain and spinal cord. They keep our brain updated about what's happening around us. You are holding a pencil, you touched it, how you felt. You are holding a pen, how you felt. It's hard to touch, smooth, you could hear. All these messages are being carried to the brain by the sensory nerves. Next type of nerves are motor nerves. Motor nerves carry the message from the brain or the spinal cord to other parts of the body, and this message is the response. Whatever we feel, hear, touch, that's a signal. It gets transmitted to the brain, and in the brain it gets processed. Yesterday I told you, like the computer, some input is there, some data is there. It gets processed in the brain and then it comes in form of a response. And motor nerves carry message from the brain and the spinal cord to all rest parts of the body. Third type of nerves are mixed nerves. As the name suggests, it's mixed. Mix of what? Both the type of nerves we have just discussed. It contains both the nerves, sensory and motor. They carry electrical impulses from the organs to the central nervous system. Central nervous system means the brain, and take back the signal from the brain to the rest organs. As it is the name mixed, it performs the function of both. So our nerves help us to know what's happening around us. If we feel something hot, we feel cold, we could hear, we could smell. It's all because of the Nerves. Central nervous system controls all the activities of body. That's all for today.